Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some mostly AliExpress stuff that I got. The first couple of things are from Dollar Tree. So I'll go with those first. So I took these like glittery hearts and I glued them down to this felt piece that I got, but I wanted to not glue it down all the way, so it made a pocket. So this is actually a pocket, and I glued it down with Fabrifix. So I made a pink one, and I made a red one. And this can go on something. Probably gonna put it on the front of like a bag or something, and then have something coming out of this pocket, like a loaded bag. Not necessarily like a full-on loaded bag, but you know, like one of those, like a decorated glassine bag that's big enough, and then stick this on the front of it and then have some stuff like hanging out of this pocket. That's what I'm thinking about doing with these two things. So then the next thing that I made is this candy box, and I already put something in there. This is going to a crafty friend, some trim on the inside with a heart paper clip. So I put acetate as the window covering right there, but this candy box that I made, I think it came out really cute. And I made this red one right here, and I didn't put a window in it. And this is the die right here, and that's the flap right here to glue it all together. And then you can see down here, this gives you the option to have like a regular window, and then right here, this gives you the option to have a decorative window, which you can also use it as like a label. You can take this other square out, and then it'll cut out like a label, and it's really pretty. So there's those. Then I have this one. Here is the die, and it's kind of going to be a little confusing. This is what this looks like. This makes like, I don't even know how to explain this. This is what this looks like. So it's like a surprise on the inside. This is what this makes. So it doesn't make this back piece, it cuts this out. So this is what the cutout looks like. It cuts out your paper like this. So you have to put the back piece on. So this is what I did, guys. I have like all these little cards, cutout pieces, you know, cut aparts from my collection of the Cartabella Hello Sweetheart collection. So what I did was I flipped this over on the back, and then these are just wide enough. When I cut it apart, I used the art glitter glue fine tip, and I went along the edge right here. And then you have to make sure that you fold this so you know where your score line is. And you're going to want to put that flap up when you're gluing this down, so you don't accidentally glue the flap closed. So then you're going to put it over here, and you see it doesn't fit all the way. So that's when you have to make a back piece, and you're going to want to finish it off anyways. So I just picked something like that went with the color, right? So I picked like a color that went with the inside of the card, and then since the letters are white, I just finished it off with white on the back, like that. So then I did this one, and I thought the stripes were super cute because look, he's wearing a striped shirt. And then I forgot about this little tab here. It's covering up his feet, but oh well. Thought that is just so cute. And this is double-sided paper, so I did have to, this stripe paper is double-sided paper, so I did cut this out twice. I cut this whole thing out twice and just double lined this so that it didn't look weird when I lifted this up. And so then, since I realized that, I just used plain cardstock for the rest of them. I haven't finished decorating these, but I really wanted to show you guys. It says we go together like salt and pepper. So cute. See, the backs are finished. And this one, Love You a Latte. So cute. And then this one I just did the same as the front. So then I was thinking about possibly putting on the ones that aren't decorated, I was thinking about possibly putting like an eyelet right here and putting like ribbon and stuff and making like a tassel to kind of like hold this down right here. And then you'd have to, you know, pull that up. Tell me if you guys think that that would be a good idea, or if you think that that would look weird, or if you don't even know what I'm talking about. So I hope that made sense on what to do. Put this in here, glue it down, get a back piece, put it on, and then any extra that hangs over, just trim that off. So that's that die. Then I got these really pretty decorative paper straws from AliExpress. You know, I'm gonna leave all the links down below. So I got these ones. These are like pink with gold foiling on it. They're super pretty. These are rose gold. And then these are silver. Then I got this glitter. Super pretty. I think I saw Scrap Diva 29 get this glitter, but I'm not sure. Glitter. You know, sequins, whatever this is called. Confetti. These are super pretty. I got, those are the big, that's the big size, and this is the small size. Can you guys see the difference? Then I got these two bags. This one's like holographic, but this one is like different holographic, like you know, do you see like the little circle things in there? It's like different. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about compared to that. See how this is different holographic than that one? Anyways. And then I forgot to show this on my other sequin glitter haul the other day. Some more hearts. These ones are blue. And that is it for my haul. I have a ton more to show you guys, so I will catch you guys in my next crafty video. Bye!